nakatiming ang meditation.
Let's say na nag-strike siya.
Yeah.
Nag-strike. I'm sorry. Ako pala mag-i-strike. I failed to hit him. Strike. Dito. Tinitrain to sa sombrada eh. Na ganun. Kailangan, pagka natakip mo, balik mo kaagad ng ganun. So ganun ang gagawin natin. Pero yun nga lang, you have to gun kaagad kasi tatamaan ka ng bagsak na ganun. Okay? So, kapag ka nag-fail ako, strike. Ganun yan. So,
why? It gives you the spatial and the visual acuity to see that a strike is going to your head. Right? Because if you feed like this, you need to block. You need to block first now. So as you train, you need to give your partner that visual and tactile sense. Right?
It's one of my best. Not to
That's it. Alright? Now, go. So nafe-feel mo, uy, tatama talaga to. Alright? Yes.
3, 4, 5,